Good morning, traders. How's everyone doing? Right, let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin. In my last video, I did explain that there was a possibility of a short and a long position, and that I wasn't going to be taking the short because we needed to fill the wick that we had about 119, 120,000. And we can see that we actually blasted through there with a lot of volume. So we did see a lot of volume increase on Wednesday and also on Friday as well. The other thing is we are seeing a lot of traders trying to short this, and they're just getting liquidated. It's a bit foolish to short here, to be honest. And I don't think this move is actually completed. I think we are on our way of making a new all-time high. I mean, could we have a retracement? Of course we can. I mean, there are some levels that I am watching. The first level that I'll be watching is approximately 121,000. Also the previous day EQ. And should we lose this, then I'm looking at the monthly VWAP, which is sitting at 119,200. Ideally, we want to really find support in this area here, which is actually sitting 120 to 121 really. So this is the area we want to really retrace back into to find support for a continuation up, because we didn't actually make an all-time high, but we were close, very close. And this wick here hasn't been filled, and we keep leaving this as some type of indication that we're going to come back and fill this. So we'll see how price develops this weekend. The issue with Bitcoin is it doesn't, when it's actually in a uptrend, aggressive uptrend with volume, it doesn't like to retrace a lot. So could we continue up from here? We definitely can. We obviously definitely can. Now, a couple other levels that I am actually looking at is that we do have the value area high at 120,192. So if we do come back into this zone here, it's a bit like the other chart I just showed you, we'd want to see some support there. Looking at the 8-hour time frame, we are extended quite a bit. We need a pullback. We really need a pullback into that 121 to 120 area, where I will be looking for another long position for a continuation up. Looking at the inflows of the ETF, we've had a lot of inflows come in. So this is actually a good thing that we've had a lot of inflows, and there is some spot buying as well going on as well. So this is quite a bit of a, I mean, we had a total of 985 million yesterday of inflows. That's pretty good. I mean, that volume there has been the highest we've seen for a very long time. Now coming back to this chart, looking at a smaller time frame, actually let's have a look at smaller time frames if we can get any weekend trades going on. So seem to be consolidating here. Like I said, I am looking for a retracement down, but how far we can come down is really dependent on how many people are shorting this move. We probably will get some weekend shorters coming in, and then they will get wrecked. So yes, I'm fully aware that we have a lot of liquidity underneath us, but we're gonna have, I mean, we have a lot of liquidity all the way down to the value area low. All this move up, a lot of stop losses there. But Bitcoin, when it's in this crazy aggressive move up with volume, it doesn't always come back down. It really consolidates and makes another push up. How far can we go? I mean, we need to break 124,500, and we may see that 130, 128 area get filled. We don't know at the moment, because we need to let price develop. We always have to let price develop. So the next 24 hours are going to be giving us some indication on what's actually going on. Looking at the order flow of BTC on Excel charts, I can see a lot of people are attempting shorts, and we have got some long positions open as well, but I think we're going to get another short squeeze. I'm not 100% sure, because we are above 120,000, and we really want to see what our reaction is at this 121, 120,000 level. If we do lose this value area low, then I will be looking for a short position. It depends where we come back down to, and where we find that bounce and find that rejection, because we could, if we was to aggressively come down, there's always going to be a mean reversion back into value area high. We could get rejected here, where I will attempt a short position, but it's too early to say at the moment. Now, I just want to thank BYDFI for the sponsors of the channel. They are doing a great promotion. If you haven't checked this video out, you should check this video out. Which crypto exchange should I trade on, and why? I do cover a lot of things in here. But if you do want to open an account with BYDFI and help support this channel, you just click on this link here. This will take you to this place, non-KYC exchange. If you do deposit $100, you get $50 bonus. If you do deposit $500, you get $100 bonus. And if you do deposit $1,000, you get $200 bonus. And there's some great offers for whale traders here, especially there's 20,000, 2,000. That's a really good offer. And I've been using this exchange for about 4 or 5 months now, and the liquidity is very good. The app UI is amazing. It doesn't freeze. It's super sharp, fast. Customer support is 10 out of 10. I'm never going to leave this exchange. Yeah, so, and if you want to join the Telegram group, you need to deposit $500 into your BYDFI account and connect with me on Telegram, and I will let you in. That's where we share our trade setups on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies pairs as well. So now we want to talk about the alts. So when could we see the alts rally? Well, at the moment, there's a lot of eyes on BTC. I think once we make an all-time high on BTC, and we're very, very close. We're very, very close. I think I will see then the alts really pumping up. And if you want to get some free trade setups on alts, join the exchange, give me a DM, and I'll let you into our trading group. And we just completed another order flow webinar, usually taking like 10 students in, where I train them on order flow and how to spot trap traders and various other strategies that I use on a daily basis on trading crypto. So if you are interested in that, you can DM me. I will be introducing a new webinar coming soon. We've done 2 already. They've been very successful. Most of the traders are making money, because I can't really control their risk management. And we do have the next webinar coming in about a week's time. I will be notifying everybody on the next webinar on my X channel, so follow me on X. So just some recap. We want to see price develop in this range here. So let's just move this box up here. Actually, let's move it up here. So we want to see price development, see what happens in this zone here. Observation. It's already low liquidity on a Saturday. I really want to see a retracement down to this 50 EMA. That will make me more comfortable in taking a long trade. So I could be looking at a trade setup like this. Definitely targeting the TP1 here, but I'm aiming for a an all-time high, at least 125, 126. So that could be a good trade setup, but it's too early to say what's going to happen with BTC. We just need to see the price develop. So I will be updating everybody in about 24 hours time if I see anything. Have a great weekend, guys.